Hello and welcome again to Farmspace. We're in East London today. I'm here at Tractor World. I'm talking to Michael. He's going to give me a tour of the dealership, tell me exactly what they're about and what they can bring to your farm. Michael, how are you?
All right, thanks, Andre.
No, good.
That's good.
Tractor World, give me a little bit of background. What do you guys do?
So, Andre, we do the full range. You name it. For this area, we're situated between the old Transkei and the old Ciskei. And then we've mainly in this area got farmers from dairy type farmers, pineapple farmers, cattle farmers, and a couple of also crop farmers in the area, you know. So we service those guys. And obviously our motto is put farmer first. So we eat, sleep, live and drink for our customers. That's our most important thing. Without them, we won't exist tomorrow.
I love that. So, okay, so let's move down here to the showroom and everything. So here you've got a bunch of front loaders already.
Yeah, those are going to be fitted in the next 2 days, yeah.
So how have they been doing for you?
Extremely well. You know, that front end loader fits on perfectly onto the Massey Global Series tractors with the wet clutches, so it works extremely well. And a lot of our dairy farmers are going that way and utilizing them nowadays. Yeah.
So another thing I'm seeing is that what's the tractor doing in the air?
Oh yeah, that's just something, I suppose, something different, you know. We decided just to get the eye a bit more, probably a little bit on the high side, so we probably could drop it at some stage, but yeah. It's our motto, it's our signage, and it's a way of picking up as a point, you know. Everybody drives past here, says where yoke's situated, and we can tell them, look for the tractor on the pole.
Great tractor op die paal.
Yeah, nee, verseker.
Right, so, and then obviously, I'm seeing that there's a bunch of second-hand equipment here as well. Yeah. I'm guessing that's like trade-ins and stuff that you guys do as well?
Yeah, we do. Our used market is very important to us here as well. You know, so we do a lot of used, especially the small Masseys, the 135s, 165s, 265s, 290s. We do a wide range of them, and obviously a lot of trade-ins as well. You know, you can't trade without doing trade-ins.
Okay, right. So, and then when we come in here, I see you've got a lot of globals and the heritage tractors that you've got here. So, what are your, what is your main market at the end of the day?
Our main market is, as I mentioned earlier, we're situated with the old Transkei and the old Ciskei. So we do quite a lot of the 200 series tractors, the old heritage tractors. The chaps normally buy it with a plow, a disc, a planter, and a two-row planter, and a two-wheel trailer. So we do a large amount of them, but then also we do a lot of the global series nowadays. Our market share has really grown over the last couple of years. So your dairy farmers specifically are really happy with them. They're doing very well with them, especially with the front end loaders, mixer wagons, haymaking. And then obviously when you go more to your stock farmers, a lot of the guys there are using them for your green feed, you know, planting, ripping, plowing, disking, all that type of work. The chaps use the Global Series a lot for that type of machine.
What is your perception on the Massey brand at this stage and their vision for where they are going with it?
Oh hell, Andre, it's incredible what they're doing with the brand at the moment. If you just look at it at the moment, it's definitely a brand that's growing back to where it used to be. I mean, when we were in the 90s, I think Massey had 25% market share in this country. And we've had our tough times, there's no doubt about it, but it's how you get through those tough times. And I reckon Massey, what they've done now, the Global Series, that's why they call it the Global Series. The tractor is built, the parts are built all across the world and they're put together in China. And the quality is definitely up to where it used to be with the old 200 series, the old 399s, for instance. Really, the Global Series is up their game. There's no doubt about it compared to what we had before.
So for the future is going to be bright?
No doubt about it.
And I'm guessing at Tractor World, you're going to make sure that as a farmer, I'm getting the service that I need to get.
That's our motto. As I said, farmer comes first. You know, we eat, sleep, and live, drink for our farmers. That's the most important thing for us, is our farmer. Without a farmer, we nowhere.
So tell me a little bit here about in terms of just the parts and everything that you guys keep, and how are you keeping my farm going?
Yeah, definitely. We do a wide range as well of implements for the area. So from the ground engaging equipment, we do all the different brands. We on the mowers, the bush cutters, the mulchers. Lots of farmers are going into that, clearing the bush off their farms and stuff like that. So we do a wide range of different implements. You name it, whatever a farmer needs, we've got it, yeah.
I just want to go back there. Let's just go to the port side quickly, and you can just show me.
Oh, for sure.
Are they? Were the people that always tells me that there's no parts?
Yeah. So you got Eugene. He's on the parts sales side, and also helping quite a lot to the workshop. And you got Ruan over there, who's our parts manager. Comes from the background of parts and that sort of thing with ag. You know, that's very important. I mean, it's one thing doing parts, but you got to have the background of doing ag parts because it is very different.
Definitely, yeah. And then actually the experience in terms of which models just take that little bit of a different one, eh?
Yeah, definitely. And knowing when you talk about die bootjie wat daar vashou by daai ding langs die kant, jy weet.
That's me phoning you.
Yeah.
So okay, and let's get to the back here.
Yeah, you got our counter sales in the front here, and then in the back here. Yeah, we carry probably around about 4 million rands of the spares. And there we want to have everything.
How do you decide what are the things that you need to keep and not keep and so forth, or is it just a function of experience where you discovered over the years?
It's a bit of everything, Andre. It's experience, knowing what you sell, knowing what sells at what time of the season, and then obviously you have got to have the right computer system which advises you on what to sell. We are looking at upgrading that sometime soon. But yeah, definitely it's system related and person related, you know what I mean, to get the right stuff at the right time.
I've been wanting one of these for a long time, so yeah, thank you.
100%.
You've even got a 135 badge, well done.
Yeah.
And just in terms of, because that's at the end of the day, your after sales service and all of that, just give me a little bit of background quickly around your mechanics and so forth. Maybe we need to go to the workshop to do that.
100%.
Okay, right. So this is luckily TV. Right, and like magic, we're at the workshop.
Yeah.
So, and just in terms of vehicles outside, all of those things, how many mechanics have you got, and yeah, how are you going to service me?
Andre, so we've got 5 qualified technicians, and then we've probably got about 5 apprentices as well. It's very important to keep training the guys up, but this is pretty much the heart of the business, you know. Yep. Without your workshop, you're not going to exist, because it's all about giving service and backup to your customers and your clients out there, no doubt about it. So there's the heart. We're busy with the upgrade. We'll be changing this workshop pretty soon.
Yes.
We want to obviously redo the floors, repaint the whole building soon. But yeah, this is where the heart is, as I said, of our business, and the most important part of your business, you know. Yeah, it's no use selling something and you can't give the backup and the service. And yeah, so that's where this happens.
Definitely. And so when you look at specifically at service, okay, what is your main, call it mantra, in terms of how do you make sure that the people in the dealership give me as the farmer the best service possible?
It's just training, We're permanently training our guys. Our guys are going on training permanently. When a guy phones in, make sure we go back to them. We've obviously got cell phones now connected to our clients via WhatsApp for our parts and for our workshop side of things. So it's not that fact of still having to phone in and then wait for the guy to answer his call and that sort of thing. Nowadays, it's send us a WhatsApp. We will then come back to you. It's so much easier for parts as well, you know. You can follow up. The oak can take a picture of the part that he needs. You can take a picture of the serial number he needs. WhatsApps it through to us. So yeah, it's just been more proactive. And then giving feedback to our clients once we've been to them, done a service, give the chap feedback. By the way, you got a seal leaking there, or we heard that your clutch might be starting to slip. So it's all about just going and following up with your customers and keeping in touch with them all the time and getting there as quick as possible. Response, and getting back to them as quick as possible.
Why should I buy a tractor from Tractor World?
Because I'm going to put you first, that's why.
Right, so now you know why you buy a tractor from Tractor World, because Michael is putting you first. That's it from Farmspace. Till next time, cheers.